Hi, welcome. Are you struggle balancing in three pose Vrikshasana? You're not alone. A few quick adjustments can change everything. So in this short tutorial, I will guide you through how to do three pose so that you can achieve it with more balance and confidence on the mat. Well, number one, starting with a strong foundation. Make sure your standing foot is always pressing down away from the mat. Spread all five toes nice and wide, not clenching them. When you spread the toes nice and wide, you get better grip and balance as well. Place your foot wisely. If you're just beginning or starting out to learn three pose, you can place your foot just along the side of standing leg ankle, placing your toes onto the mat like a kickstand. And the remaining two places you can place your foot is inside of your calf or inside of your standing leg inner thigh. But make sure avoid placing the foot on your knee, as a knee is a hinge joint. It can't move side by side to protect our knee joint. Number third, you may feel wobble. You're all around. Why that happens? Because you are not engaging the muscles you should engage. You should press down the standing foot. As you press down the foot, also the foot and the inner thigh engagement. When you press the sole of your foot inside of your inner thigh or calf, you should also press your inner thigh towards the sole of your foot. Both are creating some resistance by pressing each other. Pull your navel in, engaging your core. What is engaging your core? Imagine somebody is trying to kick up in your belly. How you do it? You pull the core muscles inside of you. How your core muscles are engaged? They're completely pulling towards the back of your spine to find that stability. When you press down your feet, creating this resistance between the sole of your feet and the inner thigh, engaging your core gives that length. You can grow taller from the bottom of your foot all the way crown of your head. The third one is finding a stable point, drishti. Gaze towards stable point in front of you, not looking down, which makes you feel wobbly, so that find that stability, balance. After all, doing all these checklists and the arm variation, your choice. You're finding still wobbly, you can spread your arms nice and wide, or just find anything that is stable around you, whether it's a wall or a table or chair, sofa, anything which is sturdy and stable. And find your prayer hands at your heart, or maybe eventually you can reach your hands all the way up and above your head, hands together. Maybe challenging yourself by closing your eyes as well. These are all add-ons. When you work from the ground to the up, finally keep breathing. Find equal, calm breaths, which helps you stay in the pose calm and steady for a longer period of time. When you align your body and focus your mind, balance comes natural. Well, keep on practicing three pose so that three pose will start to feel more natural. Thank you.